students, today we are going to discuss about the addition of SHMs and waves. We are going to discuss addition of simple harmonic motion and waves. Addition of SHM and waves we are going to discuss here. So earlier we chosen two equations. Let me choose that equations. Y equal to what we are having here. Y1 is nothing but A1 sin omega t plus otherwise A sin omega t. Let me choose other one like B sin omega t plus phi. Some angle it's leading. So this is as equation 1. This is as equation 2. Two SHMs equation they given. We need to write the resultant equation here. So if both are two SHMs, we can add SHMs equally. So no worries in that. Therefore, A net, how can you write it? Means Y equal to what we can write? A net into sin omega t plus or minus alpha I told you here. So, what we have to choose means here we have to choose small phase one. Who is small phase? This one we have to choose here. After solving question, you might be can understand. I am choosing small omega t I mentioned here. That's why I am taking here A here. And parallelogram of vectors. Another vector is leading by what angle? Plus phi na. This is B. Leading by what angle? Phi. So what you have to do? So you have to finish the parallelogram like this. So what will get it here? Resultant. That's nothing but what we got it here? A net. And we have to drop two vectors here. So if this angle is phi means this angle can be written as phi. So this is B means parallel component can be written as B. You will get here B sin alpha opposite side. This side what will get it? B cos alpha will get it here. And if you observe this angle can be written as alpha. These are all things we learned in 11th standard only. So amplitude, net amplitude, how can you write it? Just now we have learned that under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos phi. Parallelogram of vectors. Tan alpha, how can we write it? Tan alpha equal to what we can write it? B sin phi divided by from this triangle OA, OBA, OB, if you take you can get confused, OPQ, let me take. From triangle OPQ, opposite is what? B sin phi. Base is nothing but A plus B cos alpha. A plus B cos alpha, not B phi, B cos phi. B cos phi will get it here. This is the angle to find between these two vectors, resultant vector and reference one. Fine, let me take one numerical for better understanding. In numerical, what I am choosing means, so in the numerical they given like this. So if you observe here, no, y1 equal to 3 sin omega t they given, y2 equal to 4 sin omega t plus 90 degrees they given. If you observe clearly who is smaller, we have to check first. Here omega t is their phase value, here omega t plus something is there. Whose phase is less? No, that one we have to choose first here. It's very clear whose phase is less here. Omega t, nothing but y1 phase is very less here. So you have to take the result reference one. So this is nothing but what we are taking, that 3 amplitude I am taking here, amplitude 3. And this one is leading by what angle? Leading by 90 degrees here. So I know omega t plus 90 na. So 4 is leading by 90 degrees here. So if you apply parallelogram of vectors now, under root of what will get it here? A net equal to under root of A square is how much? 3. B square is nothing but 4. 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4 into cos phi. This angle is how much I told you? Cos 90 we got it na? Cos 90. Cos 90 is how much? 0. Therefore this term will become 0. So A net equal to under root of 3 square plus 4 square. Under root of 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 is nothing but 16. That's nothing but what will get it? Root 25. Therefore A net equal to how much will get it? 5 we got it. Therefore A net value how much we got it here? 5. It's nothing but we need not to do this much. If angle 90 degrees exactly is there, no, we can go with what? Pythagoras rule. 3, 4, 5 will get it here. Now if you want to calculate the tan phi value, how to calculate tan phi means you need to calculate this angle here. For 90 degrees we can do by just tan alpha. Tan alpha can be written as what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is how much? 4. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means how much? What angle will get it? Alpha equal to we can write like 4 by 3, 53 degrees will get it, na? So 53 degrees. Then y net can be written as what here? Y net can be written as what? A net sin omega t plus or minus alpha. Here second vector is leading, na? That's why we need to write plus alpha here. Therefore y equal to what we can write it here? So resultant one 5 we got it. 5 sine least one phase angle is omega t plus alpha value is how much 53 plus 53 which we can write it here. This is how we have to add the vectors. So let me take one more question to make you people clarity about this question. So let me take one more example. Okay, I change the slide here. So they given one equation like this. Y equal to 4 sine omega t plus 30 degrees they given. Second they given 3 sine omega t plus 120 degrees they given. 3 sine omega t plus 120 degrees. Now we need to write the resultant amplitude, we need to write here. So if you want to write now here, A net we need to calculate first. A net equal to under root of a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 cos phi. Otherwise you can use a square plus b square, so no worries in this. So a1 is how much we are having 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 4 into 3 cos phi. Cos phi value we have to know, means we have to calculate phi 2 minus phi 1. If we calculate phi 2 minus phi 1, no, omega t will get cancelled. 120 minus 30. 120 degrees minus 30 degrees is got 90 degrees. If you substitute here, no, 90 will get it here. This value will get cancelled. Cos 90 will become 0. Again, root of 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9. That will be equal to under root 25. That will be what we got it? 5. Therefore, A net equal to what we got it? 5 we got it here. So, means if you want to draw that at 2 vectors, so what is the angle between these two vectors? 90 degrees. So, I am choosing here 4 here. So, 3 is leading by what angle here? Who is having more angle? This fellow, no? 3 is leading by 90 degrees here, like this. A net value how much we got it? This much we got it. A net equal to how much? 5 we got it. And this is nothing but alpha. For 90 degrees tan alpha directly you can write it here. Tan alpha can be written as opposite by adjacent. Opposite is nothing but 3 here. Adjacent is nothing but 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but what here? 37 degrees we get it here. Therefore, y net can be written as what here? A net na? A net is how much we got it? 5. 5 sine omega t plus 30 we have to choose here. Why omega t plus 30 means least one total phase angle we have to choose. Least one total phase angle omega t plus 30 degrees we are having. That's completely we have to choose here. Omega t plus 30 degrees we are having plus alpha. Alpha is how much? 37 we have to choose. Therefore, net resultant what we got it? Y net equal to 5 sine omega t plus 67 degrees, which we got this answer here. So this is how we have to solve. Their phase angle we are going to choose na least one's phase angle which we are going to choose here. So if we take simply omega t other than if without 30, no, that answer will get as wrong. That option also we can get in the question.